channel. It's Quiara B and we're back with a fashion video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you like anything about plus size fashion, lifestyle, because I'm in this fun employment time right now, or anything about travel or anything in between. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share with your family and friends. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at @KiaraB_ if you want to see all the fashion and updates about my life in real time, because this is delayed on YouTube. And let's get started. Okay, so loves, today I have 7 different outfits just to wear in the springtime. I got inspiration from online, on TikTok, on Instagram, and Pinterest, and I put together 7 outfits that I will wear in the springtime. So I'm gonna give you some disclaimers. 1, I live in the Midwest, I live in Ohio. On Monday we could have 30-degree weather, and on Friday we can be in 75. So I kind of did a mixture of every little thing with that. So I hope you enjoy. And before we get started, I want to show you some things. So my thing is, I want to have like solid basics, and I also want to have solid, not basics, but not even staple. What is the word I'm trying to think of? I just want to have, I can't even think of it, not staple jewelry pieces. So I want to show you guys my staple jewelry pieces. So I have these earrings. These are actually from a brand off of AliExpress, and when I tell you their jewelry is top tier, it's top tier. I also have this bracelet that I wear this in the shower and everything like that. This is actually from TJ Maxx. I've had it for 2 years and it's been great. I have my 2 necklaces. I have the gold one, and then I have this necklace. I got it when I was 21 from my parents. Now I've always had to replace the chain because somehow this chain is always breaking, but I've always kept this pendant. I also have my 2 rings. One was my grandmother's ring, and then one is the ring I got on my 18th birthday. And then I have a watch that I usually wear using my Apple Watch, or then I have fossil watches, silver, gold, or black. So I have staple jewelry pieces that I wear on a daily basis. Now, with some of these outfits, I might dress them up with some more jewelry, dress it down with less jewelry, but I'll tell you that when we get to them today. But if you want to start like wearing stuff, get some staple jewelry pieces that you can wear and invest in your jewelry, because that's what I've been doing. And even like I said, these are from AliExpress, and these, I am really nickel. I can't do nickel and none of that stuff. These are the bomb. These are the bomb. So invest in your jewelry pieces. Also, when it comes to investing in jewelry pieces, invest in like your staple lip glosses, your staple eye makeup, your staple things like that. This Juvia's Place pH Balanced Color Lip Gloss, top tier. And when I say top tier, this is top tier. I don't know if it's changed my lips yet. Let me look. It's kind of changed my lips yet, but as we go on through the video, you'll see my lips change drastically because of that. So I love Juvia's Place pH Balanced Lip Gloss. Get it Ulta or Juvia's Place. And then also just make sure you have staple jewelry. And let's get into the 7 outfits that I have picked out today. This is really take number 3 of this outfit, so let's get to it. Anyway, outfit number 1, we have this dress from Fashion Nova. I think this dress is perfect for the springtime because it's long sleeve, but it's lightweight. You could wear it anywhere: work, church, brunch, dinner. Now if you do wear it to work or church, this part of it is see-through, so put a tank top underneath it. I just paired it with a bag. I might, with this outfit, I probably would have put on some chunky earrings to go with it, just so it can stand out. And then yeah, I just have this. Oops. The chunky, I don't know if y'all can see the chunky heels, and I think this is such a cute outfit. Let me know what you think of it, and let's go to outfit number 2. Okay, loves, we have the second outfit for my spring. And just a side note, I will have everything linked down below. If the item is not available, I will have similar items linked for you guys to shop, so make sure you shop my links. And if you have any questions about the outfits, let me know. So I have this cute casual outfit. Now, I would accessorize this. I will have a lot of necklaces on with this, and then definitely some sunglasses. Now I paired it with my red Coach purse. This one is from the Coach outlet. I think it's called the Terry one. I really do like this. It's super cute, and it does come with a crossbody as well. And I have this shirt. I just got it in from Old Navy, so I know it's available. And then I have these cargos from Fashion Nova. The shoes, let me show you guys the shoes. Hold on. The shoes are Steve Madden slide clogs. I really like these. I think these are big for the fall, winter, and springtime, just in case. So I think these are really cute. If these are linked, I will find some for you. If not, but I think this outfit is so cute. Like I said, I will definitely accessorize this with some gold jewelry, more necklaces, some sunglasses, even maybe a hat. But this is something you can just run errands with, a girl's day, a brunch, or something like that. So let me know what you like, and let's go to outfit number 3 for Mike. Anyway, this is the third outfit. Maybe this one is the third outfit. Crap. This is the third outfit. I really just got this outfit yesterday, and I was like, yeah, this is definitely going into this video. You can see the tags right here. I got it from the Gap Factory outlet. The pants are extra large. The top is actually a small because they only have one top left, and I was gonna get this outfit, okay? And it was on sale. I think I paid $30 for both pieces. And then I got this matched with it, this cute Coach purse. This one's from the outlets, but I think the real store has this because this is not on the outlet website. I think this is from the real Coach store, but this is super cute. I thought this was cute to pair this with. And then I'll show you the shoes. The shoes are from Fashion Nova. These furry slides. Now these slides you need to break in because yeah, they're still being broken in for me because they hurt. But once you break it in, I'm starting to not feel the hurtness in it. But I'll let you know, this is super cute to wear to brunch, or running errands by yourself or with your girlfriends. Definitely some sunglasses with this, but I will keep jewelry to a minimum because this is just a running errands type of outfit. So let me know what you think of this outfit. I think it's so cute, super cute. And let's go to outfit number 4. Baby, it's so hot in this room. Now my next spring piece is just a cute wide leg pant with a graphic tee, and I think this is a staple all the time in the spring and summertime because it's so easy to put on. You can wear this anywhere. Like I literally would wear this to work. Okay, so I just have on these pants from Fashion Nova, the top of Fashion Nova. I just have on my Adidas, not Zambas, but the other ones that be at Nordstrom Rack and stuff like that. And then I just paired it with this Coach denim bag that I got. And I think it's just cute and simple. I will keep accessories to a minimum with this outfit just because I feel like it's just an outfit that doesn't need a lot of accessories. Now if you're going out wearing this to brunch or wearing this to some occasion, yes, add up accessories. But if you're wearing this to work, or it's just I'm gonna run dinner today, I'm just getting dressed, I would definitely just keep the accessories to a minimum. I think this just sets it off. If this was silver, I think this would be super cute, but you know I love gold. I'm a gold girl, but I do wear silver intertwined with it. So let me know what you think about this piece. And I think we have 3 more pieces to go. This is 4? Yeah, this is 4. So we have 3 more pieces to go. Let's go. Okay guys, we are outfit number 5. We got 2 more to go after this. It's hot in this room. I don't know why, but we got it. Anyway, I got this dress from Fashion Nova. You should have seen this in the first Fashion Nova haul. I absolutely like it. I wish I would have sized down. I don't know what I was thinking. I paired it with this cute bag because it has like kind of similar colors to it and things like that. And then for the shoes, when I wore this to brunch, I just wore it with these slides because it was like snow on the ground and stuff like that. But you can wear it with a chunky little sandal real quick, or some high heel Miu Mius, or whatever you like. I think this is super cute. I will wear this to work. I will wear this to church. I will wear this to brunch. I will wear this anywhere, even on the date night with some cute strappy sandals. If I wear it to work, I could put on my Adidas that I just had with it. So I think the dress is such a cute, just little staple and things of that nature. I love the color, I love the stretch, and then I say I am 5'5.5", y'all, and it goes all the way down, like it's touching the ground. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is touching the ground for me almost. So, and I'm 5'5.5", 5'6" on a good day. So this is a very long dress, and I think it's super cute. Like I said, I wish I would have sized down. I don't know what I was thinking, but I think it's a super cute piece for the springtime, because if it's just a chill day and you still want to look cute, you're still warm, throw in a trench coat with it and you're perfectly fine. Let me know what you think about it. And so we're about to go to outfit number 6. We're almost done. Stay with me. Okay, loves, we have outfit number 5. And I know you're like, here, why do you have a whole sweater on? I told y'all the Midwest, it could be 65 during the day and at night it's gonna be 45, okay? So you have to come prepared. But I love this outfit. I actually wore this outfit to my uncle's 60th birthday party. I'll post a picture here, but I really thought this outfit was cute. I just have some jeans from Fashion Nova. Let me tell you guys a secret. This top is actually a dress and I just tucked it in. Yep. A dress. And then I just have on this sweater from Cider. It is a long sweater. It is a Hanifa dupe. So I don't think Cider has this anymore. And I just paired it with this bag. I don't think I wore it with this bag. I think this bag is just cute. It matches the kind of the shade of the pants. So that's why I throw this bag in with it. But I'll show you guys it without the sweater. But this is what without the sweater. I just think it's such a cute outfit. I think this is like happy hour. Ladies, happy hour. I just have on these black mule sandals with it. Mule slide, sorry. Super cute Steve Madden, but I think this is super cute. This is definitely happy hour parties, like a low key, might go out and things like that. I just think it's super cute and I like it. I did have a belt on with it, so I like the belt with the accessory because these pants are actually a little bit too big. So, and they're too long. I do have them cuffed if you saw that. So I think this is super cute and we just have one more outfit to go. Let's see what it is. Okay, this is my last outfit and I feel like this outfit is for the person that wants to run errands and just leggings and a sweatshirt but elevate it. And this is what this is. And when I tell you I wear this often, I wear this often. The leggings are from Amazon. The sweater is actually vintage. My mom was cleaning out my grandparents' house and I saw the sweatshirt. I was like, give it here. I want it. It looks like a nice sweatshirt. I don't know what it is, but any sweatshirt I think will be cute. This trench coat is from Target, guys. I bought this a long time ago when it's off season. I think I got it for $10. I paired it with my Julian bag from Coach, which is my everyday bag lately from Coach. I absolutely love this bag. You can fit so much in it. So if you need to go work at a coffee shop or something like that, this, and then this is what's going to elevate the look. Now you can wear the Adidas, you can wear your New Balances with it, but I put on these slides with it, and I think this elevates the look in such a different way that I just love it. It's a elevate your running around. This is literally running around, going to your kids, picking your kids up from basketball practice, soccer practice, softball practice and stuff like that. It's just an elevated look for those times because you still want to look cute when you're running around. So let me know if you like this outfit or not. Okay, loves, that's the end of my lookbook for the springtime. Let me know how you like the pieces. I want to tell you guys that this is all about shopping your closet and using those pieces that you already have. Maybe adding 1 or 2 pieces here or there, but shopping your closet and wearing those outfits here in the spring, putting stuff together. Now I just want to give you guys some ideas on how to put that stuff together for the spring. Let me know which outfit is your favorite. Let me know if you like this and want me to do more of shopping in my closet and putting outfits together. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Quiara B _ and subscribe to my channel if you did make it to this video and like these kind of videos. And until next time, loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.